Girls, you ready? Oh my gosh, we got another subscription for you. This is the Kong box, link in the description. Look at there, Kong box. Oh my gosh, they're excited for it. All right, did you open it partially for them to make it easier this time? They want it very badly. I think you should give it to them.
Come here.
Go to mommy.
Oh yes. You're showing the boy that you can shake.
Yeah.
It's a good shake.
She can shake.
It's a good shake. Oh wow! Sit. Don't be rude. Don't be rude.
What's in it, girls? Come on, we already opened it for you. Pull up the flap. Just pull up the flap. They're on the wrong side. Oh, there you go. Coco's got it.
No, you're eating it. You're not opening.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you did it!
It's fun time.
It's fun time.
You did it.
Yeah, you got the Kong box open. That's all there is.
No more.
No more.
Okay.
I think she thinks that the box is the toy. Oh, she found it. What's in there? Oh, it's scary.
Tissue paper.
Tissue paper? What do you got, girls? It's ready for Valentine's Day.
Oh, we got the little bandana.
And she hit it. Yeah.
We'll play with that in a minute. Oh, we got Kong jerky, so you put it in the little Kong things.
Yeah, we have one of those. I don't know if it's Kong brand.
It's not brand.
Oh, okay, girls, you'll get one of those in a minute. Hold on.
We have little Kong bites. They're little shapes.
Treat?
Ooh, we actually get a Kong.
Oh, we get a real Kong thing.
Kong. We got hand sanitizer.
Ooh, for humans?
For humans.
You don't need that.
What else did
You don't have hands.
We got Kong stuffing.
What is it?
So it's sweet potato. You shove it into the Kong.
Oh, okay. I marked that they have separation anxiety, so maybe this will help with that.
We have a medium thing that goes inside the tree, the Kong thing.
Okay.
Oh, we got two.
Oh, we got two. One for Coco and Snowball.
This is a different one.
What
This
the
is-
heck?
Oh, it's like a. See, it has the things that you can play with and.
It's a Kong tail. Fun to tug and toss. All right.
And then we got this guy.
We got a bear.
But his skeleton is a rope. See?
He's a rope on the inside. Girls, what do you think? Is that everything? That's everything. Well, Sheila wants the treat. No. We gotta put it in the Kong box before we. No, we gotta put it in the Kong. Before you can do that. Yeah, there it is. Put it. You can play with it, but we gotta put it in there first. In there. Hold on. Not yet. We're waiting for mommy. Okay, I think this one just plugs in the back of it. We can to see if they like it. What do you think? Snowball wants it. Snowball wants this.
You just like it because it makes noises. That's all you like.
No, it probably smells. What does it smell like, Taylor?
Bad. Here, smell the inside of that.
It's not as bad as some of the other ones I've tried in this video.
No!
Coco's being nice. She's patient. All right, girls, what do you want? You want to try it? You get it.
Go.
Get.
Here.
And what does Coco get?
Want a bitty treat?
Just a normal treat?
Hey, what in the bitty? That and you're playing with the toys already. And I will put the little
Ooh.
And then
Snowball, do you like it? You like this Kong treat? Let's find out. She's already devoured it. Oh, do you like that treat? Did you like it? Yeah. Good girl. Snowball likes this treat. So it just gets shoved in the back of that?
Yep, it's inserts in it. You want to be pretty?
Bandana time! There you go, Coco. What do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, she wants the bear. She wants the bear that has rope in it. Snowball's checking on you. Snowball has eaten like all of it. There's a little piece right there. Yep. But you get the bear, so you'll be happy. You just rip that thing right out of there. Oh, Coco wants it. Get it, Coco.
You can
Get.
that right now. Mom and Daddy have to take it back later. So I can get the zip tie off.
Oh yeah, the zip tie's still on it. Good girl. All right, Coco. Oh, it squeaks. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Stop it. Hold on. I'm trying to give it to you. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, she's relentless. Okay. No. Stop. Stop. Help me. Stop it! Stop it! She wants it so bad. Okay. You can't get it now, can you? You can't get it. Oh no. Oh, I thought you were gonna jump off the back. Oh my gosh! She's relentless. She's going crazy over that thing. Okay, so you got this thing while I was distracted. Did she eat that all?
Yep.
Yay!
I had to get the last bit out though because she was about to tear into it.
Good, that's what they're supposed to do, I think. You wanna play tug of war? You wanna play tug of war? You grab the blue part. Oh wait, I grab the blue part. Cause there's a handle. Come on, get it! Get it. Snowball, you wanna play tug of war? You wanna play tug of war? No? You wanna play tug of war? You just want your bear? You just want your bear? Come on. Come on. Come on. Get, play tug of war with me. Oh, we're going. Nope, we're not. Hold on. I gotta take her bear away so she's not distracted. All right, Coco, we need to put this to the side. I got it. No, what was that?
That was Coco.
And we'll put this here for a little bit. She went, what'd she do? That's what she did. All right, now maybe she'll play with us. Come on. No, you grab the blue part. Snowball, you can play. Play tug of war. She smells the treat on the ground. She's too distracted. Come on, play. Let's play. Yeah, grab it. There we go. Now we're playing tug of war. Oh, you're grabbing the wrong part. Oh my, she's grabbing the wrong part. So then if the girls will do it every once in a while, we could have them tug of war if they were wanting to between the two of them. We got a little user guide?
Yeah, how-to stuff.
Okay, so I opened it. So what are we supposed to do with this Kong thing? You're supposed to like layer it, and then they'll be spending a lot of time on that, so maybe we could leave and then they'll be entertained for a little bit. Okay, so how do we do this? That goes in the small end to start. There you go, you can have a lid. And then next you put a normal treat in there, or the treat they gave us. And then we're supposed to put the top on top that we already did. Oh well. The thing Snowball chewed up. Okay, so then you put treats in there. Oh, well, she just got one. Okay, so it's full of treats, and then the very bottom has the paste stuff. What are you doing?
We can do like this, or we can stuff it more like these guys.
With Kong jerky? Okay, so you could stuff it with different things.
Yeah, and then you can also freeze it.
Okay. Oh, you could freeze it? Ooh. Okay, so then you put this on top. Hold on, girls. Okay, and that like holds it together idea. And then then the option would be to put that thing that Snowball already chewed up on top of it.
Well, that is an option, but that one just said
we could do it what we did too. Snowball wants to try it out. You wanna try it? No, you have to get it. Are you supposed to roll it on the ground? Okay. That's not how you do it, but okay. You get the small end. It's peeking out.
Little bitty end. Little bitty end.
You're a little bitty. You get the little bitty end.
There we go.
Yay! So you could freeze it, and then it'll be harder and take longer to get those out. Is that the idea? Awesome. Alright, well girls, I hope you enjoyed this. Let's go freeze it, and maybe we'll make a new video of that sometime. Good girls. There she goes. So what we could do is get another one, and then put one in each of their kennels before we leave, and then they'll be doing this for hours, trying to get all of the little bitty treats and paste out for a while. How much did you get so far? There's only one more treat in there. And some paste. Wow. Oh, I dropped the treat on the ground. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay active, and stay healthy. And God bless. Peace. Good girls. Say bye, Taylor.